Hello, my name is Rolando. I'm here at Jet Ski of Miami, Fisherman Boat Group. I would like to go ahead and show you this item that we have here. It's called an impeller prop protector. Item right here, what it does is basically to protect your rope, anything that you're towing, to go onto your propulsion system and not to get stuck right around the impeller. The proper way to install this impeller prop protector is you're gonna take your rope, insert it in one way and take it out from the other. Once you have it, the rope on the other side, you're gonna go ahead and tie it on your jet ski. After you tie your rope onto the jet ski, you're gonna go ahead and just move this 3 feet away, tie the Velcro around the rope so it will not slide back and forth. We also have it on this size for your boat convenience. Hopefully this tips helps you. Thank you for joining me today.